Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. I hope you are trading well. Today I have a live recording of my trades from June 2nd, 2021 of the Nasdaq E-mini 1000 tick chart. And so that's futures trading. And before we get started, just to point out what I'm using, this is Tradivate. It's a web browser software and NinjaTrader. So right here, I like to use them side by side currently because I can't decide which one I prefer to use. And before I play the video, just to get my thought process out there before I show you guys this first trade because it happens really quickly. You can see the market is making an uptrend above the 20 moving average, and then it cracks under. And so I don't take any of these trades because I want to wait for the retracement, and I don't take anything here either. I don't trade against the trend for the most part. I think as a beginner, which I still am, I should stick to trading with the trends. So I'm avoiding all of this, and I'm avoiding all of this, and so I'm waiting for green bars to approach the 20 moving average, and when I see a weak green bar, I'll place my order below the green bar so that the next candle will break through it, and you'll see what I mean. So we have a green bar, and this is a green bar. So we're just watching it, seeing where it wants to go. And if at any time, okay, see how fast it happens? Okay, so it makes it to the 20 moving average. You can see that there's only, it's counting down to 0. This right here is where I would have wanted to get in. But because it happened so fast, I jump in right there. And you'll see that I move my price target up. And right here is where you can see the fluctuation in profit. Okay, so it's approaching my profit target. But I do move it up because I don't trade in a way where I risk 1 to make 2, or like I don't have an RR, a risk to reward per se. I just place my price targets where I deem fit. And the next trade, buyers push back up to the 20 moving average, and I'm looking for the break of this green candle for my entry. You can even see that I have my cursor ready. Okay, so I just got in. I moved my profit target up, and it failed. So now I'm up $162. The first trade I made 100, the second trade I made 60. And then right here, I'm about to jump in right there. And the reasoning behind that is because I see this higher low formation right there. And I move my price target to just where these wicks are. And it's about to fill me. Okay, I just got filled and now I'm at 223. And I should have called it a day there, but I didn't. Around the lunch period time when things got choppier and slowed down, I decided to take a bunch of trades. How stupid is that? So right here you'll see the first of many bad, poor trades. But the reason I took this trade and the reason why I missed all this is because I was outside running an errand, so I wasn't at my computer for all this. But then I saw it retrace back to the 20 and I entered below the break of this green doji. And as you'll be able to see in a second, it goes against me, and I'm not one for like setting my stop loss really, really far away so that maybe I'll be down a few $100, but then it finally goes my way. Like if I'm wrong, I want to be wrong quick and just get out, and I know I can always get back in. And so I don't want to be in a lot of drawdown just for a single trade. And my stop loss is set at 7 points, so at most I'm risking $140 per trade. So this trade actually takes a while, but you can see how I entered below this green candle, and then the next one also became a green candle, and so then that means that I entered a bit early. Okay, you can see how foolish I am because I got in for another short. But I think this one actually works out. I quickly got out because everything was just looking very tight and choppy. And then you can see I went long. And I don't think I got out when I should have. And so then it hit me out. So that was a losing trade. Oh, and this is all fast forwarded because I figured I shouldn't put you through seeing all this because there isn't really anything to learn from these trades. Okay, and you see how this one, it becomes a green doji. So now the market's going to come down from that point on. And so I got in for the break below that green candle, and I got out for a teeny bit. But look how massive the drop is. I missed out on over $600 in just this move right here. And now, just like the other trade before, how it broke through the 20. Now I'm waiting for the retracement back to the 20 moving average. And I'm actually a dummy here for not waiting for it to get to the 20 moving average. I'm actually breaking my rule here. Technically trading against the trend because this is to me a retracement back to the 20 moving average. And so you know that the buyers are going to come in and push it up, but I'd rather not risk it. I'd rather wait for entries down here and wait for the move back down. But the video stops there. I do get my profit target does get reached, and so that puts me back over $200. And I quickly got out. I wanted to get back over $200, so and that's why I had my profit target right there. And then I called it a day after that. But yeah, so those were the trades for the day. I took really good ones early in the morning and after lunch in this whole area right here. I gave a lot of it back. And then from these two trades, I made most of it back. And so I don't know if you guys will find this video applicable to your trades, but hopefully it does. And I'm looking forward to posting more of my recaps. And because this is a trading combine, I will post videos on my day-to-day progress towards reaching the end goal and hopefully becoming funded. And so subscribe if you guys want to, like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks.